friends, welcome back to Trina's Humble Homestead. It has been a minute since I have done a video. I just went into Fargo today. I had a great day with my son and daughter-in-law. My daughter-in-law Kim is 30 this week, so we went out for all-you-can-eat sushi and hibachi at Azumi today. Celebrated her birthday, had a great time, and I needed to pick up some groceries after my pantry challenge. I'm sorry that I didn't do a whole lot of videos over the pantry challenge. I had my vacation, which I did do that cruise video. And then after that, I was hit so hard with influenza A. I was so sick, you guys. I literally was in bed for 2 weeks. My son and daughter-in-law came out, picked me up, took me into the emergency. The doctors, they brought me meds. It was such a whirlwind. But I'm better now. And so I went and picked up a Sam's Club order. I have an Azure order put in for March that I'm going to pick up. But I wanted to show you my grocery haul since this is the first one that I have done since the pantry challenge. So, Sam's, I got some almond milk. Why, you say? Because I am on the waiting list for my dairy at this point. Because I stopped getting dairy over the winter because I had a whole bunch in my freezer. I still have some left, freeze-dried and in my freezer. However, I'm going to use that for my yogurt when I decide to make some. But I also did get this Greek yogurt at Sam's, which I'm going to eat because I did end up getting on an antibiotic, which you all know how I feel about that. It was horrible, but I ended up with bronchitis, sinusitis. It was so bad. I was so sick, y'all. But definitely back up to building up my gut health. So I got some Greek yogurt and a whole bunch of probiotics. Those in the fridge, and I still am kind of really into the drink since my cruise, so I'm trying to get off of like drinks. So I got some of this poppy soda for when I really feel like I need a special drink. So I got that to go. I haven't kind of been back into coffee yet just because I was eating very little and pretty nauseous. So then I got some of these sweet kale salads, which I like. And this was a hummus salad kit and a Caesar salad kit. So that's what I got for salads. And then I got a big thing of broccoli florets because I did cook up some bacon yesterday. And I'm going to make some broccoli salad. Then I just got some baby portobellas that I'm going to cook up with some meat. And this is kind of the non-healthy food. These are so cheap at Sam's Club. So I'm going to throw these in the freezer, and when I feel like it, I'm going to cook up some like egg and cheese sandwiches and some chicken salad sandwiches, and then I just wrap these up individually, keep them in the freezer, and if I just want a quick lunch, or if the kids are over, the grandkids are over, we can just pull one of these out and have a sandwich. So since I was at Sam's, I haven't shopped in 3 months. I got these to make sandwiches, and then I individually wrap them, freeze them. They're there to have. And then I want to start adding more fish into my diet. So I did get these individual ahi tunas and the mahi mahi, which I'm going to have with the broccoli salad. So I'm going to make a couple of these up and have them for the week. And I also got some cara oranges, just because I wanted some fresh fruit. What else did I get? Oh, I got some bananas. They're very green. I'm going to freeze dry these to get going on my freeze drying. I'm going to get my freeze dryer back. I got these purple onions for my salad. And I did get some potting soil because I'm going to do a little seed starting, hopefully this coming week when I have days off. Oh, and I got a huge honking thing of paper towels, which is in my garage. Is there anything else that I'm forgetting? Oh, yes, I did get a big thing of mayonnaise to go for my broccoli salad. some grapes. I think that is everything. So that is my Sam's order for today. And then I will have an Azure order to pick up on March 9th. I will show you what I have that. And I have a pig at the butcher that my son Matthew and I are having. So I'm gonna have a half a pig, this stuff for my freezer, and yeah, we'll be making some food with that. So I think that about does it for me today. I had a great day today. Tomorrow I go back to work, but I just wanted to show you this is my first big grocery haul since the Pantry challenge. I still have quite a few canned items. I've been eating canned soups, and yeah, that's it. So thanks so much for watching, everybody. Be blessed. I hope you've been doing great. I loved watching a lot of your Pantry challenge videos. I got some great ideas, some new recipes. There was one, a chicken broccoli casserole gave me an idea. Katie did that I'm gonna watch. And I'm super excited to get my pork, because they're made some extra sausage. So I'm excited to do some egg bakes with that. So we will see you soon. Be blessed. Have a great day. And remember that you are loved. Bye.